girls have done great so far. Let us keep it up. Last 10 minutes.
Nothing of mine was complete. Like, I had a lot of elements that were complete, but I did not have one element put together that I supposed to have.
Last 10 minutes.
I was just putting together each element because, like the samosa pinwheel, I had chutney to go with it. With the hummus and pita, I had the hummus plus the pita to go with it. So all of that, I was just trying to put it together and plate it.
I was trying to cut out perfect squares out of my granola bar, but since I guess my marshmallow ratio to the puff rice was too much, it was really, really sticky and hard. I had to use all my force and knife and cutter and everything possible to get out squares for service. I was just a little scared because the topping that I wanted to do also would require correct timing before service.
I was feeling that I have very less amount of time left. So I was a bit tense and nervous that time, and then like cutting your fingers, and then you squeeze the lemon and it will be like you feel irritated when you're doing that. So all this were going against me, but then I still had to be calm and complete my dish.
I started to somehow get myself together to start plating the first few dishes and get the plate for the judges ready as well. And I could see people waiting for us to join into the festival to come and eat my food. And I was in a very bad space before service started because every waffle was taking me about a couple of minutes to get out, and I needed enough to make sandwiches out of it to serve to everyone.
Girls, task 1, day 1 of the finale, and 1 minute left. That's all you got. Last 1 minute, plates on the counter.
When I made the pinwheels in the oven, it seemed to be a bit undercooked. So in the last minute, I just decided to fry it.
I knew my chili gel had set really well, but since it was a deep dish pan, it was a bit difficult to remove a perfect disc. I wanted a perfect disc to sit on the fruit. That was the first time I just couldn't think on my feet, and I thought that, you know what, I've done this and I need to get on and finish it. I need to put up a dish.
Concentrating on everything just got me mind blocked, and I totally forgot about that third component. And I started to just concentrate and plate as many dishes as I could before service started.
Ladies, last 10 seconds. Let's see smile on your faces and food on the plates. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hands off plates and a big round of applause for all of you. There she is.
When it was time for tasting, first the crowd came to taste our food, along with our fellow contestants.
The only thing which was going in my head that I just want the khichu to be sufficient for the amount of people who will come on my truck.
Loads of flavors inside those. Loved it.
It's quite amazing.
It's very chaat. It goes so well all together, every flavor.
Yeah.
All the people who came up to my truck and tasted that, they really liked my dish. They were like, they actually made that wala sound and said that it's good. So I was happy that I did something good.
I'm gonna like it.
I don't have any words to explain about this. It's really nice. It's really delicious. I really like it.
Everybody seemed to like it. They loved the pungency of the mustard oil I had used. They loved the chili gel.
I'm not a great expert in Indian food, but this is tasty.
Suddenly a change of atmosphere for me because the feedback was lovely. They all said it feels like we've gone back home, it tastes amazing. They started having these little chit-chat fights between them. Can I have more? Because while I had given 3 of them out, they were waiting for 2 more portions, which I was just getting hot and ready for them. So it was very exciting to see that there were people who were excited and the flavors were right according to them.
Very tasty dish.
It's really good.